My dear students, I am going to explain you how to find number of diagonals in a polygon whose n sides are there. Here n stands for any number. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6, any number. It should be a natural number. Okay? And you know that polygons 3 or more than 3 closed side figure. So, number of sides not less than 3 and more no limit. So suppose in triangle you see there is, we know it is already we know that there is not any diagonal in a triangle. Then what is the formula? The formula is this: n into n minus 3 divided by 2. N into n minus 3 by 2. So as in the case of triangle I am taking n is 3. So 3 into 3 minus 3 by 2. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So numerator is 0. And that's why number of diagonal is also 0. That means not any diagonal. Now I am taking up quadrilateral where number of side is 4. So 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2 is equals to 4 into 1 by 2, that is equals to 2 to the 4, that is 2. So number of diagonal is 2. Now I am taking pentagon where number of side is 5. In that case, now again you put the formula 5 into 5 minus 3 by 2. That is equals to 5 into 2 by 2. 2 cancel equals to 5. So in a pentagon, there are 5 diagonals. Now I am coming to hexagon where 6 sides are there. So formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. So in a hexagon, number of diagonals will be how many? 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2 equals to 6 into 3 by 2, and that is equals to how many? 18 by 2, that is equals to 9. So in a hexagon there are 9 diagonals. So in this way we are finding the number of diagonals in a polygon. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.